Hey guys, welcome. If you saw my very first video, thanks so much and welcome back. As promised, I'm here to share with you what I know about Causebox Fall 2020 box and their spoilers. But before we get into it, for those of you who don't know, Causebox is a quarterly subscription box, ships out every season 4 times a year. Each box includes up to 8 products that's worth a total of $250 and more, such as jewelry, accessories, home decor, kitchenware, skincare, wellness. Some unique and very useful stuff. So far, I have been loving all of my boxes. The reason I love Causebox and the company is because they're dedicated to make a positive impact worldwide. Each product in their box is ethically and sustainably made. They offer 2 types of membership. The quarterly subscription costs $54.95 per box. You get charged 4 times a year until you cancel, which is very easy to do. Or you can pay annually, once a year, for a total of $199.80. That comes out to $49.95 per box. That saves you about $20 if you are a quarterly member and end up getting 4 boxes a year anyways. The other big difference between these 2 subscriptions is that annual members get to customize the products in their box. Quarterly members cannot customize at all. And Causebox would choose all of your products in your box for you. So if you want the option of customization and a little more control over what comes in your box and is able to pay the larger fee upfront, the annual membership is definitely the way to go. So if you're interested, you should definitely hurry over to their website and check it out. And fall customizations is already open for annual members to make their selections. And I already customized my box, so I'm very excited. Okay, now let's talk about the fall box and all of their spoilers. We have a total of 6 spoilers. 2 of them will be in every fall box. The other 4 are choice categories. Each includes 2 to 3 items to choose from. As I mentioned before, only annual members get to choose. The fall box is stuffed with a range of products that will fill your fall with all kinds of cozy. We curated a collection that showcases the best in ethical and sustainable brands, highlighting companies that not only are doing the right thing, but also delivering the highest caliber products. This season's selection are worth over $250. The artist they chose to do the artwork for their fall box is Cynthia Kittler. She gets a lot of her inspiration from people within the faces, fashions, and objects she meets on the street. They explain Cynthia's fall box design boldly and elegantly snapshots the diversity, connection, not to mention the impeccable fashion senses of our community and the power we have when we come together and lift each other up. So that is great. I personally love the artwork, the illustration on their fall box. It's definitely a box I would keep and save and reuse for organizations and storage. The first item is a basil grow kit. I'll insert a picture right here by the brand of Buzzy Seeds. So Buzzy Seeds makes it easy to start your own herb garden with their all-inclusive kits. Freshen up margarita pizza or pesto with this homegrown basil kit. The growing medium pellets inside this kit are 100% natural and non-GMO, and the growing pellets are composed of dehydrated coconut husks that are safe and non-toxic. And like all Buzzy Seeds products, it comes with a guarantee to grow promise. Annual members choose between the kit and the set of 10 reusable facial rounds made with bamboo fiber and cotton velvet, and they can replace up to 12,000 cotton balls or makeup wipes. That sounds amazing. They can also last a lifetime with proper care, and they come with a laundry bag to make washing easy. Both of these items have the value of $10, so it's one of their smaller items in the box. So the second spoiler alert included a bathe and waffle robe in the color of charcoal or mint. Or you can choose bathe and waffle towels that's set of 4, which included 2 bath and 2 hand towels in the same color choices. charcoal or mint. They both have the value of $90. And it says, this unbelievably soft and superbly cozy bathrobe or the towels are made from 100% cotton waffle knit. They're hand woven by artisans in Panipat, India. It is extra absorbent, colored with 100% non-toxic dyes, and designed with a flattering silhouette. It may become your new work-from-home uniform. So a fun fact, Panipat, the city in India, was known for their textile, and it's called the City of Weavers. So that's pretty cool to find out. The third spoiler alert includes 2 items as well. It has the Artisan Direct Milky Way lantern and also the Tea's Tea glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler. So for the lantern, it's in the style of Written in the Stars. It's one of those lanterns when you put in a candle or light fixture, it will project the stars all over your wall. So that's really pretty. It says, dress up your socially distanced backyard dinners or light up your living room. So for the other item, it's a glass tumbler with a wooden lid. It looks like it has a tea infuser you can put in or remove. It says tea time, a convenient and easy way to brew on the go. Used for tea, coffee, or fruit infusions. This has a $39 value and the lantern is $40. So they're pretty much the same price. The fourth spoiler alert is a bamboo surf set by Core Bamboo. And it says prep, plate, and serve with the bamboo surf set. The bamboo used to make these tongs, spatula, and cutting board is organically grown, FSC certified, antibacterial, prettier than plastic. And it also gives a little fun fact about bamboo here. It says, bamboo is one of the most renewable sources on the planet. Because bamboo is a grass, it has a kind of harvest surviving superpower. Cut it down, and within a couple of years, each stalk will have grown back. That is so amazing. I actually had a bamboo cutting board before. For some reason, mine started cracking in between. I think because I left it unused and dry for a long time. So my mom told me to put some water or oil on it periodically to prevent from cracking. But I'm sure if you use it daily, you probably won't run into the same problem. Or maybe just the board I had before was made with less quality materials. But either way, it's a beautiful set, and I'm very excited to receive it in my fall box and start using them. This set has a value of $35. The fifth spoiler alert included 3 choice items. The first one is Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. It says the gel first cools inflamed muscles, then follows with a deep, comforting warmth. Black pepper and warming ginger are part of the ingredients. It's great for post-workout, a long, demanding day, or in-flight heavy legs. It helps the muscle to soothe and relax. And that has a value of $38. The second item you can choose in this category is the Tribe Alive Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff. This stylish bangle features a crisscross design in rose gold. It's handmade in Moradabad, India, and it's $42. Although normally I do like a jewelry piece in my box, because who doesn't like some cute accessories? I'm not a rose gold person, so it seems like I won't be choosing this one. But the muscle gel seems interesting. I do get a lot of soreness in my muscles, so I might give that a try. Okay, moving on. The last choice is the Vellum Love Scrub for $56. On the company's website, it says, this is a 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed extract microderm exfoliator. It'll buff away dull skin while red tea, seaweed extract, and hyaluronic acid hydrate and nourish your skin. And that sounds amazing. The sixth and the last spoiler is a facial brightening serum from the company Way of Whale. And this product will be in every fall box. It says it's lightweight, fast absorbing, and rich in vitamins and antioxidants. This serum works to moisturize, brighten, and protect our skin from free radicals. And it is made in Toronto, Canada, using vegan, cruelty-free, and all natural ingredients. So Causebox didn't really give the price on this item, but I did go to the brand's website, and it says it's $37.50 for a 1 fluid ounce bottle. If you are curious about the fragrance, which I was, it seems like it doesn't have fragrance in them, but it is infused with all natural pure grade oils, according to their website. I believe it will have some kind of scent in the product, but not with synthetic fragrance. Hopefully that helps. Because for me, I tend to stay away from very heavy fragrance products. If you have sensitive skin or is very sensitive to fragrance, that's probably something you want to be aware of. So that's all the spoilers we have for the fall box. Seems like we have a little bit of everything to choose from, and that's very exciting. I'm looking forward to receive them. I believe they said they'll start shipping out the fall box at the end of September, so you do have a little time, but these boxes do tend to sell out real fast. If you want to get your hands on one of the fall boxes, I wouldn't wait too long. As mentioned, feel free to use my link down below to save yourself $10 for your very first box. As always, thanks for watching, and if you like these kind of videos, please click the like button and give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider to subscribe and hit that notification button just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I always include an inspiration quote at the end of the video just to share a little dose of positivity that we all need nowadays. As always, please stay safe, be kind, and stay positive. Hopefully, I will see you again very soon.